Okay. What is in the mystery package? Why is this so hard with one arm? That's right. Here they are in all their glory. New old mirror arms. These are the early stage style fj40 arms. Finally. Very exciting. Can't believe I found them. They came off of 45 from South America. So these will go, let's see. This one I think is, I'll go there. No, this is the other side. This will go here and replace this nonsense. This will go like that. And then we'll put in here, oh no. In there will be a post. This will go there after apparently I take that out. Does this one have it? And get it back to looking like that. Not positive what I'm going to do with these. Probably just give it the old CLR and see how well they clean up. I'd rather not paint them and just leave them original, but we'll see what they look like. Can't tell. Maybe it came off of a Freebird or a Freeborn Red. Looks like it. Back into town. In one piece. Perfect. Nothing went wrong. Oh. Oh my gosh, very cathartic. I've been looking for these, well, this one for a while. This is the new version that you can still get on from Toyota. A little different, you know. But for now, I'll have to do until I can get rid of that broken off bolt in there. Eventually we'll replace it and it'll be right as rain. But, oh, it's so good. The previous owner just drilled sheet metal screws in to the body, which is great. We'll get it fixed up, and I think I've got little rubber dots we can put in there to prevent water from getting in. So I'm not sure what I should do with this. Should I paint them? Should I clear coat it and just leave it rusty underneath? I'm gonna replace this bolt and probably keep some of the internals. Or should I just leave it raw? I guess the rest of it's patina. Anyway, let me know if anyone has real strong opinions. I could just leave it rusty. You know, that'll work still. It's easy.